Hey, what's up there, guys? Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you guys all know the Ask Matts that I do. I want to make these even more useful for you guys with some amazing questions and some videos that are going to help you for a long time. So you can see here I'm in our Shirts and Stones location here. This is kind of our mock storefront location where we have our cams, rhinestone setting machines over there. We have our heat presses, we have our vinyl cutters, we have all of our samples, our register, everything in here, our demos, all of our blank products over there, all of our transfers over here, some hats, all of our samples of different things. So what my goal is for you guys to be able to ask me, right? Ask Matt what I can help you with your business, okay? Doesn't necessarily mean you have to have a storefront, right? Maybe you do events. Maybe you're looking for ways to display at your events. Check out this book right here. That's pretty sweet, right? So comment below, all right? Comment below. I'm going to start doing a lot of the Ask Matts this way because I think it's going to help a lot more people for a long time, and it's going to be direct and to the point. So comment below. Let me know some questions you have. Is it about pricing? Is it about a cams machine? Is it about your heat press? Is it about your vinyl cutter? Is it about displaying your products? Is it about pressing hats? Pricing your products? Whatever it is, shoot me a comment below. Let me know what your question is, and I will keep making these videos based on your comments and your questions to help your business. So make sure to comment below now. I'll be back soon to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon. Later.